Nations rise on its flow. Industries thrive in its wake. It connects continents, drives progress, and fuels every dream that takes flight. Black gold, the lifeline of modern-day civilization. The search for oil and gas was a journey of perseverance across unforgiving terrain. Seismic lines unfurled on paper reels and maps were etched with steady hands. Through vision, determination, and patience, every drop was earned. Today, the digital awakening has transformed exploration, blending geology, geophysics, and geochemistry into one intelligent ecosystem. Seismic imaging, where sound becomes sight, has progressed through decades of relentless innovation, from orchestrated blasts on land to air guns in the oceans. Seismic acquisition has evolved into the art of conversing with the Earth. What started as a single-fold analog surveys has evolved into multifold wide azimuth geometries to full azimuth, long offset ocean bottom nodes. Anchored to the sea floor, we now record the Earth's faintest whispers from every angle and every depth with precision. From analog films to magnetic reels and digital tapes, to cartridges and hard drives that made data archival faster and lighter, seismic data has advanced beyond storage into vast, intelligent, and ever-connected cloud repositories. From hand-drawn graphical migration to manual punch cards and basic velocity stacks to high-performance computing clusters that is massive and lightning fast. Seismic processing has entered an era driven by algorithms, where near-surface modeling, tomography, broadband processing, and full waveform inversion breathe life into seismic echoes. What began as rudimentary 2D reconnaissance has evolved into high-definition 3D volumes, revealing geological features in breathtaking detail. Dynamic modeling now brings these formations to life, transforming static geology into living, breathing data. Interpretation, once confined to hand-drawn horizons and tedious log correlations, now thrives on AI-driven platforms where machine learning accelerates horizon picking, fault extraction, and reservoir analysis. As integrated petroleum system models guide bold exploration decisions, exploration now expands beyond hydrocarbons, embracing carbon storage, geothermal energy, and critical minerals. Digitalization drives this transformation, where real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and cloud intelligence converge seamlessly, lighting the path to a new era of energy evolution. The Society of Petroleum Geophysicists, standing at the vibrant confluence of professionals, policymakers, students, and visionaries, unites the global geoscience community through its flagship biennial event, SPG. This year, the 15th Biennial Conference and Expo is being held in Jaipur, the city of timeless heritage and visionary progress. From the depths of rock, the energy landscape is rising, expanding, transforming, driven by integrated data ecosystems. A new era is redefining how Earth's resources are understood. A leap from physical depths to the digital frontier. SPG 2025, Rock to Cloud. Geo-exploration empowering energy evolution. 26th to 28th October, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. Together, let us explore, empower, energize, and evolve.